My new ground beef replacement is not made from walnuts. Today, we'll be making the best ground beef replacement you've ever come across. I have a walnut ground meat replacement recipe and it's okay, but this is way better. You're going to need 2 to 4 large king oyster mushrooms. Cut your mushrooms into smaller pieces. Add your mushroom pieces to the food processor. Process until you get a ground beef consistency. This right here is what you're looking for. You could go larger or smaller, it's up to you. Go ahead and make both of my ground beef replacements and let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Place a large cast iron skillet on a stove set to medium-high heat. Add your minced or ground mushrooms and spread them apart. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-high heat. If you prefer to use walnuts, click on the link above. Give it a good mix, spread, and let it cook again for 5 to 7 minutes. Add some avocado oil and mix thoroughly. Don't forget to scrape the bottom. Form a heap and press down with a drill press. Reduce the heat to medium heat, then cook for 5 minutes. Repeat the process 2 more times. Add some sea salt and adjust to taste. Vegans, add some black pepper. Alkaline, add some ground papaya seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of summer savory. Add 1 tablespoon of onion or garlic powder. Add some cayenne pepper and adjust to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Give it a good mix and let it cook again for 5 minutes. If you're vegan, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Give it a good mix and check this out. Here's Manny's new ground beef replacement. Beautiful. If you're living the alkaline lifestyle, wait until it cools down before you add your coconut aminos. If you're a fellow creator and you happen to make this and enjoy it, don't forget to give your boy some credit, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week.